Yo, everybody know Blender does everything. So today we're gonna make a hip hop beat in Blender. So first we gotta open up the video editor here. Now we will start off with the drum beat. So first find a kick drum sound. This one sounds pretty good. All right, now get a snare. Now a hi-hat. Realize the beat sounds whack and then change it. Now we need an 808 line. So let's find a cool 808 sound. So this one sounds pretty good, but the pitch is too high. So here's how you change the pitch in Blender. So you have to hit show retiming keys here. And then after that, you click on this point here on the end. And if you squeeze it, it gets higher pitched. And if you stretch it out, it gets lower pitch. So we'll stretch the pitch down like this. Copy and paste. And then on the last one, we want it to go up. So then squeeze it, pitch it up. It's cool, but it's not dirty enough. So we're gonna find another bass sound and lay it on top. This one's actually in the right key, so we don't have to pitch the original one. We just need to pitch the last one up to roughly 200%, which for some reason Blender won't let me do. So 204% is close enough. Honestly, it might actually sound better that way. Now we need a top melody on top of the bass, so let's find a sample for that. I'm gonna arrange it and pitch it how we want it. It'd be cool if there was another thing on top that harmonized with that one. So let's try to find something that works. To be honest, this is kind of whack though. I think I'm just gonna cut that out and leave it like this. So now let's export. Make sure you are on the output tab, then change file formats to FFmpeg. Change the video codec to no video because it's not a video. We don't need that. Then do MP3 for audio. Actually, you know what? Scratch that. Change the container to OGG and use Opus for audio. I think that has higher quality. Now hit render. Bruh, hold up. Looks like it's still rendering the video, even though I told it not to. Alright, here it is, the masterpiece. I mean, it's alright. It's kind of trash, but it's not the worst thing I've made. It do be trash though.